Hi, I'm Dr. Sujata. In this video, I'll be talking about when is the right time for cataract surgery. If you are in search for an expert, reach out to the best of them at Medfin. Our dedicated team ensure that you have a worry-free surgery experience from the start to the end. When is the right time for cataract surgery? The answer is there is no standard or perfect time for undergoing cataract surgery. It depends upon the degree of blurred vision, lifestyle and personal preferences. And the decision can be taken in consultation with your eye doctor. In general, the surgery is done when you have entered a position where you are not able to see things clearly. If the doctor finds that surgery can be delayed, he or she will prescribe temporary measures such as glasses, magnifiers, bright light, etc. Surgery is opted when the power of the glasses keeps on changing frequently and when the measures are no more effective. What about a person with cataracts in both the eyes? When the cataracts are there in both the eyes, then surgery takes place several weeks apart. We don't usually operate on the same day on both the eyes. This is to prevent any chances of infection. Now, a few questions to help you with decision making. You can ask yourself the following questions to make a well-informed decision. Are you able to manage your daily activities without any issues? Are you able to drive comfortably in the night? Are you able to do your outdoor activities? Is your job affected by any chance? Cataract surgery has become easier with time and technology, and it takes minimal time to execute and deal with. People are finding it more relieved as the surgery is cost as well as time effective and is giving you a crystal clear vision. In advanced stages of cataract, there is no benefit in delaying the surgery, and the patient should get the cataract surgery done at the earliest. Thank you and see you in the next video with more information. Medfin can be your best partner when going for an eye examination, finding you a right doctor or getting a cataract surgery done.